Hi, this is Darren Farrell from OMMA. We're here at Philips Professional Displays showcasing our coffee shop solution. So we'd like to show you what we have on display here today. We have 3 screens at the back of the coffee shop here. 2 of the screens are showing video content with pricing, and the 3rd screen on the right hand side is showing our order, our track of the order by scanning the QR code. And what we have here with the menu board solution is a video. That video is a hard embedded video, but the pricing that we show on that menu board, as you can see, is dynamic. So it's actually a HTML5 overlay sitting on top of the video, so the pricing actually is not embedded. Now, we can control that pricing remotely as well by simply hitting a volume control on our phone, bringing the pricing up and down. So we can also link that to point of sale system. We can also link it to Google Sheets, so that pricing can be updated very easily without re-rendering a video. So what we're going to do now is show you how to order a coffee via our OMMA cafe solution, for want of a better name. So what it's asking us to do here is to scan a QR code. So we'll go to our camera, we'll scan the code, we'll open the URL. Up comes a little menu that we can order our coffee from, so we'll put our name in. And then we'll order our coffee. Press order. On the screen will be the number, and on our mobile will be our number as well, 496. So that number then goes to the barista, which is just around here. You see the barista has a screen here as well, showing that OMMA has ordered a latte and the number 496. When that's made, the barista clicks ready, and the number then goes across to the ready queue on our solution. So that's our cafe solution, brought to you by OMMA and Philips Professional Displays here at ISE 2020, and thanks for your time.